Hey guys, Toilets Rock here, and today I am going to be flushing my 2004 Briggs Altima toilet. So I got this toilet at the curb. It was last week, and this toilet came with the Glacier Bay dual flush toilet that I flushed, which was like a week ago, I think. But yeah, the tank is overfilling. I'm going to give it a flush. It siphoned out 2 times, which is really nice, but not surprising because the tank was overfilled. But I don't know why, but this is like the 3rd or 4th time I have to flush my toilets without the flapper, and I have to block it. It was on my American Standard Cadet that I dissected, and then a Kohler Warworth Ingenium, and then this one, and then there was actually 2 more Kohler Warworth Ingeniums that I had to flush without the handle or flapper, so that's kind of annoying. But here's a left side flush, and the tank is overfilling again. The flush, surprisingly, was more interesting than the first flush that I did. It tried, as it siphoned, it tried to siphon out again very, very early. And so after it siphoned, the water, it didn't try to go up. It tried to siphon out again, and it happened 2 times. But yeah, I'm going to do a right side flush. This time, less water than it fully overfilled the tank. So here's a right side flush. Yeah, I really like how there's like 3 jets, I think, or 1, 2, there's 3 jets, and I like how water is powerful on these 3 jets. And I think there's like 3 big jets. Yeah, there's 3. So that's kind of interesting how these toilets are made with these 3 jets in like different like spots. Usually not a lot of toilets flush with these 3 jets over there, but like that's pretty interesting. But yeah, these toilets overall, they're okay performers, and that is obviously because the trapway is small and the trapway is not glazed. But here's a close-up flush. I did not want to make it flush, like meaning I didn't want to make it flush until all the water went down in the tank, just because I don't want to use so much water. So this time I'm going to give it this view flush. This is honestly my favorite view when I film my toilets flushing, so let's give it with this type of view flush. So with this view that I just did, you guys can see that there's water coming out these big jets, and that's what I like about doing this new view that I just been doing the past few videos of me flushing my toilets. This is exactly why it's my favorite view when I flush my toilets. That's because you can see a really good, you can see a very good view of the water coming out those jets and rim jets. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Tomorrow I will do performance tests on the Glacier Bay toilet, then the American Standard Gateway toilet, and then this toilet. But yeah, if you guys enjoy my videos, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.